What's up, guys? W7 back at you, checking in. We've got a lot going on, but with the silver and gold markets, we're crushing all-time highs again. And this is a consistent thing going on with these markets. And there's reason behind this. We also have businesses en masse starting to limit the purchase of silver. If there wasn't really something going on in the market, they would not do this. You have big time businesses, all the way down to like small time jewelers. I know some people personally that run jewelry shops and that deal with precious metals, and they say that it's going down. They say that the places that they connect to and reach out to that deal commercially, their prices obviously are following everything that's rising out there. But for anyone that wants to just come in the door and buy like an ounce of silver, you're only allowed to have one a day. That's crazy. They're already cutting back and stopping people from getting anything more than 1 ounce a day. Now, I looked into this, and there's other big businesses out there that have implemented this as well. If you try to go online and get gold and silver through any of these knockoff places, so to speak, like Walmart or anything like that, not to say you should, but Costco out there, they've limited to 1 ounce as well. Like all these places are going into motion now. So it was just a couple, now it's a lot. And when it's the people that I know that are tied into the business and everything else, like and they have concern, then I got to say something, because the prices are just through the roof. I see silver not only hitting triple digits here very soon, hell, it could do it in a day or two if it really wanted. It's at like $86 right now. Like $100 is nothing. It's not far away at all. And then once you hit 100, there's always the psychological FOMO effect that happens whenever you break a barrier like that. So I expect it to at least run up to 110, if not 120, and then pull back, and then see a good pullback. But how big are these pullbacks going to be? I don't know. All I can say is it's on. It's going down. Records are being smashed consistently. And I told everybody out there, the whole goal was try to get yourself as much silver as you can here before $100, even after it crosses 100. Anything within that range before the pullback and during that pullback, that's going to be fill up time. I'm just not sure how big this pullback's going to be, because things are starting to go parabolic. You don't want to chase it going parabolic. You want to let it do its thing and then start to retract and pull back, because they always do. Okay, so for those that are in it, looking to offload off this peak, that's on you. I say stack and stack and stack and stack and stack, especially if you're in a place that is tax-free on all this stuff, on gold and silver, if you're in the state. But I'll put up an image showing where the ratio sits here, where everything is at right now. And I'm going to say that anything below the 60-to-1 on a silver to gold is showing you that it's closing the gap. 30-to-1 is going to be big money for people out there once this happens, once that ratio closes, because people are not even paying attention. And if it ever hits 15-to-1, which they say is very possible, at that point, gold right now, what they're saying, real-time value should be somewhere around $11,000 easily, in silver at 500 plus. We got a lot of catching up to do. That's a 5x just from 100. So tax-free, I don't know what people are waiting on. I don't know any other opportunities like this that are going to present themselves out there tax-free, so to speak, if you're in the right state and situation. But look, man, it's going down with the precious metals. I've said it before. This is the update. I expect them to continue to tear. And with everything going on with the economy and the markets, and then Trump trying to sue Powell and all this stuff on interest rates, and that's crazy. The markets could be affected big time. Obviously, with these war strikes, any big war strikes, you can see them spike and take off big time. And that right there could be all it takes to send silver past 100. So we're like right there, man. So much love, y'all. That's the update. Join me for the live streams Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern, right here on Dabu 77. Much love.